doing, Rocco? What are you doing? What are you doing? You look like a little demon on. Come on, Rocco. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Nope. Rocco, look at the light. Look at the light. Why are you coming close? Rocco. Ah. What are you doing? Why are you... Come on, Rocco. Little Brendo puppy. Little Brendo puppy. Rocco. Oh gosh, Rocco. Ow! Don't bite me. Stop. Rocco. What are you doing? Rocco. What are you doing, Rocco? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't come close to the camera, no. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop trying to follow the sandals. Little puppy. Hey! Oh, come on, Rocco. Come on. I hope it does. Okay. Ah, there you are, Rocco. There you are, Rocco. Hey! Don't bite at me. Let's do this. Come on, Rocco. I'm not sure if it got all that, though. Let's try this again. Ready, Rocco? Ready, Rocco? You ready? Go! Look! Wow, Rocco! Okay, good boy for peeing. I guess I can give you a treat now. Rocco! Rocco! Come here, you want your treat? Okay. Okay, let's have and see here. You ready for your treat? Come here. Come get your treat. Come here. Come get your treat. Your treat. You eat. What the heck is wrong with you? Why aren't you eating it? Hey, right here. Oh, snap. I'm gonna break his thing. Sorry. Hey, stop! Oh, Rocco. You made me drop my camera. You eat like a monster, Rocco. You come closer and closer and closer to the tree. Because you're so cute. Ah, now my phone's all dirty. I hope you guys... I'm really sorry for everything that has happened. And sorry if you see dirt going off and me. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the dirt off. I'll do that inside. I'll just know that he dropped it. You ready to go inside, Rocco? Come on. I tried showing you guys apart, but I'm not sure if that worked. Rocco, come on, let's go inside. Bye. Okay, bye, Rocco.